Hello and welcome to our channel. Do you know which vegetable can significantly reduce cholesterol levels and improve your heart health dramatically? It's cabbage. Let me introduce you to the incredible heart-healthy benefits of cabbage. Heart-related issues are, unfortunately, quite prevalent. Managing cholesterol levels is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Let's delve into the nutritional components of cabbage. This humble vegetable is not only a staple in many cuisines around the world, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It's packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, cabbage is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and polyphenols, which are crucial for heart health. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in preventing heart disease. Moreover, cabbage contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. These elements work together to support your cardiovascular system and promote overall well-being. Including cabbage in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and vitality. Studies and statistics reveal some fascinating insights. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can significantly lower cholesterol levels. This simple addition to your meals can make a big difference in your heart health. Cabbage is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals which are essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. The antioxidants found in cabbage help reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. By adding cabbage to your salads, soups or even smoothies, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits. Moreover, cabbage is low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some fresh cabbage and start reaping the rewards of this nutritious vegetable. To sum it all up, cabbage can be a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being. Its nutritional benefits are undeniable, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Rich in vitamin C and K, cabbage helps in boosting your immune system and promoting bone health. Additionally, its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. The antioxidants present in cabbage can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or cooked in various dishes, incorporating cabbage into your meals can provide numerous health benefits. So next time you're planning your meals, consider adding this versatile and nutritious vegetable to your shopping list. Your body will thank you for it. We encourage you to try some delicious cabbage recipes. Share your experiences with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on superfoods and heart health. Thank you for watching, wishing you a happy and prosperous life.